So now I am talking about this little program over here. This is called hello world.py. You cannot see the name. I am not telling there. There's nothing. So print hello world. Print is a statement for printing, and the brackets say what to print. So the brackets, if you want to print a string of text which is not a variable, I'll explain this in the VPython video, link in the description or up there. So if it's not a variable, then you have to put these quotation marks around it. If you created a variable, for instance, like A, for example, and if you set it to a value of 100, it will print the number 100. If I run this, it gives me a warning to be saved or not. I'll click OK because it's this existing program. So it types hello world 100. 100 is the value. So this is how you print variables without quotation marks, and how you print text with quotation marks. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you later.